I'm David from Hybrid Racing, and in this video, we'll talk about the DC Sports stainless steel K-swap header. This header fits great with Hassport or innovative mounts, specifically for the Honda Civic EG, EK, and DC2 Integra, using the K20 or K24 engines. It's fully TIG welded, 304 stainless, has exposed stainless bellows, dual O2 sensor bungs, a beautiful CNC machined flange, and it comes with all of the necessary gaskets and adapters to your exhaust. The header features a stepped 4-2-1 design, which is optimized for mid-range torque and smooth power delivery. It's available in a few finishes. Standard's the polished stainless, and then there's an optional ceramic coated version as well. This is the header we recommend on all of our projects, so to learn more, visit us at hybridracing.com.